So, hi and welcome
Hi.
back.
Yeah.
After a few requests, a few people have mentioned that they actually enjoyed this series. So, thanks to our three
Yeah.
subscribers, we're back. It's been a while. So,
Yeah.
Johnny, there's probably a ton to go through. So,
It,
good luck.
yeah.
But
It
over
was
to you.
yeah, it was really hard. I've just know this is a short, so we've actually got a big build up now, so it's all good. But no, but we've been trying to do this for 2 weeks, and I've been off, and then we had lots of tech problems. Obviously, you can't see this, but behind here is festooned with wires everywhere, just to get this thing up and running. So it's yeah, but here it's all calm.
Yeah, so
Anyway, so
absolutely no one is allowed to complain that this is, a Zoom knockoff recording. There is a lot of work that goes into this.
well, there is for me because I'm stupid. So it's especially hard for me.
Only in certain areas, but not in parts. Okay, so let's get back to how we used to do it because we know Johnny can talk. So we are going to put a 5-minute timer on this to give us an opportunity to come back again in a couple of weeks and do it again. So,
Yeah.
Johnny, are you ready? Oh, and we're calling this season two.
Oh right. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so Johnny, when you're ready, I'm about to set the timer
All
and
right.
it is
Okay.
going.
Cool. We're going.
Yeah, we're off.
Right. So quite a few things here. Got a few different years we're going through. Where should I start? Start on my left. So I've got a before and after one here, one we prepared earlier. So the new model Mulsanne, produced from 2011 to 2021, has a lot of problems with door handles. And this is what happens. I'm going to just put this up to the camera. Can you see that all right? Can you see what's happened to that door handle? You see the,
Looks, I can definitely see it. Oh, yeah, yeah, I can see.
see the corrosion there? They
Mhm.
all get that. And like everything here, not available from Bentley any longer. So you can't buy them. And when they were available, they were like 2 grand. We now have a replacement door handle. We
Okay.
fitted them onto our own Mulsanne here. So we know they fit. Nice smooth action, all good. So, and nowhere near the price that they used to be. This is a brand new product. You can't buy it from Bentley any longer.
Is that sorry, quick question. Is that the one that Matt did the video about? He just did the tech.
Yes, yeah, it was. We're doing the replacing the actual door handle because he's actually got an instructional video as well,
Okay, great.
as how to replace that. So that's also on the site and should be attached to the product. I hope it is. We'll have to check that, but I'm sure it is.
Will be.
But that's your job. So what else have we got? These we got. We were. These are a caliper seal kit for the performance brake cars, late turbos, Azures, Continental Rs, Continental Ts, with the big brakes, 340 mil discs and rotors. So if you've got the performance brakes, you cannot buy the caliper seals from Bentley. They don't do them, but we do. So they're back, and I had uh, customer the other day just phoned me to say you saved me with those. I had to do a caliper reseal. Phoned up Bentley, they weren't there, but you had them. Got us right out of the doggy do. So yeah, that's cool. This one here, you may remember we did front subframe mounts a while back.
Yeah.
This is a rear subframe mount. Fits Silver Shadow 2, T2, all the way up to the last of the Azures in the SZ series. So 2003, not available from Bentley. We've got them. So if your subframe mounts are kaput, you'll get lots of knocking in the back. But we do those. There's two different types. Two got a void here. There's another one which doesn't have that void. We do both. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, we're doing a lot of things like that. So really happy about that. That's in stock. Now this is my favorite because I've been trying to make it for 20 years. And it's been on a couple of videos, but this is the pillar light, which is on Silver Clouds and S types. Not on all of the cars. It's on the B post, so between the
Yeah.
front and rear doors.
I recognize that. Yeah.
Yeah. So the interesting thing about this was the hard bit was actually doing the lenses, not because it was particularly difficult to do, but we had to buy like I can't remember how many. I think we've got about 5,000 car sets of lenses because that's how many we had to buy to be able to do it. And then the rest of it, which has been done beautifully, I found this another company that could produce all of the rest of this, the housing, the chrome surround. They invented a new fixture to put a modern bulb in there, same wattage, so it's identical to the original, but it's got a modern fitting at the back. It's two different types of wiring. That's all accommodated for. I'm really proud of that one. I love that one.
And how many cars do you think will
But,
immediately need one of those?
well, there's quite a few cars have them. So I mean, we'll never sell out of the lenses. It's one of these things where it's the cost is in the tool to make the lenses, not the actual product. But you have to make so many. They're injection molded. So the tool is very costly. The pieces aren't very expensive, so you've got to get your money back from the tool. How long have I got? I've got more to go.
You have got 34 seconds left. I'm so sorry for the interruption. That's good.
Your
It's our
fault.
first episode. I mean, we can go over by 20 seconds.
Right. Okay. So the next thing here is I've done a lot of seals for the Shadow series recently. Just lots of little seals that weren't available before. So that's the jacking point seal, goes along the bottom of the sill. All of the door hinge seals. Those are the front upper seals. The bottom hinge doesn't have a seal on the front door. The rear door hinge seals. Then you've got the rubber conduit, which protects the wiring. That's it. Give me another. I've got to finish.
No, that's okay. You can finish. First episode, leniency.
That's the conduit for the door wiring loom. That wasn't available. This is the early bumper bracket seal. Not available. We've done it now. And last but not least, you'll probably, a lot of cars have on the Shadow series, we're talking 70s cars, so we'll have a seal, a bonnet seal or a hood seal, as they say in America, like this, which has got a metal reinforcement. That's wrong. That's the late seal. We've done the right seals, and they're actually two different types. One has a little split along here. Can you see that? Can you get that
Just
kind of
about.
profile
That's
there?
actually really good, but yeah, perfect.
So and then there's the other type there. Depends on the market as to which type you've got on there. But that's the right seal, goes along the back of the bonnet or hood, and that is me done. Johnny is out.
You did really well getting through all of that. And I know it was hard for you to select just that for our first episode.
No, we've got a lot.
I have the final test for you, Johnny. And then
Oh
we can
God,
finish.
right. Okay.
How many
right.
part numbers can you name?
Oh, of this? Yes. Okay, I can. So this is. I can't remember that one. That's because it's a modern part number. That is so. CD 6891, UD 2161. That is UR 23318. That's actually on this one, so that's a cheat, but I am right. That is UR 13438. That is UB 12377 and 78. That is UB 10625. That is UB 10677. That is UB 16220. The seal here, that's UB 43421. That is UB 30300, and this one is UB 13689, I think. It's not bad though, is it?
That is incredible. And that is just to prove that you do have something to do with manufacturing.
Well, no, it's just because I've got this weird brain that remembers that kind of thing.
That's incredible. I couldn't even keep up with you writing it down.
Yeah. Well, that's why we record this.
Okay, that was amazing, Johnny. Thank you so much. We are going to be better at this, so hopefully see you in exactly 2 weeks.
There's something else I want to do though, which I will do a couple of prestige parts in depth. Ones where we go into, because I've got a couple of really major projects which are coming to fruition this year, which has got really interesting, and I want to do some video of the process, how the stuff's made, the tooling, and all of that. So I've got a couple of. I think we should do a couple of. That's to come.
Okay, that's
but they're going to be really cool.
Our 3 subscribers will be so excited.
Yeah. I'm sure we're going to add a fourth one this week. Just
I hope so.
please God.
No, well, we enjoy doing it anyway. So, Johnny, thank you. See you again next time.
All right, bye.